Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to share one of the very old style Balinese vegetable dish called Roroban Daun Sele. So this is cassava leaf cooked in the coconut milk. So let's get started. So first, I would like to introduce you to all the ingredients I'm going to use later. Here I have a fresh cassava leaves, which is I bought in the market this morning. And later I'm also using shallot, garlic, chilies, galangal, kaffir lime leaf, vegetable oil, coconut milk, salt and sugar, baking soda, some fresh water, and chicken stock. So let's make it. First, I'm going to turn on the cooker, which is here I have some fresh water. We need to boil that first because we're going to blanch the cassava leaves. So next, let's cut the cassava leaves. I only using this part of the cassava leaf, so I'm not using the stem. The youngest the leaf, the better. But today I couldn't find the very young one, so this okay. The cassava is very easy to grow in Bali, so that's why this is one of the popular dishes in Bali. Sometimes they also put it into the pig cavity when they're making the suckling pig. So I just washed the leaf and now I'm going to blanch the cassava leaves. First add the salt and baking soda. Then add the leaves. I add the baking soda just now for soften the leaf and also to keep the color green. Make sure you cook it until it's soft enough to chew. The cassava leaf is soft enough. Let's put it aside. We cool it down a little bit. And next, I'm going to cut shallot, garlic, and chilies. Slice it thinly. You also can chop them if you wish, but I quite like the texture. Slice the garlic. So for the chilies here, I'm using two different type of chili, Bali hot pepper and big red chili. Bali hot pepper is the spicy one and big red chili is mild spicy. So let's slice it. For the Bali hot pepper, I'm using 3 first because another 2 I'm putting as a whole in the cassava leaves later. I cut diagonal like this. And for the big red chili, I also cut it diagonal. So I keep 1 pieces for the garnish later. And next, let's fry the sambal first. First, add the 2 tablespoons of the vegetable oil. Add the shallot. Cook until it's soft. Add the garlic and chilies. Cook until the garlic and chilies is soft. Keep stirring it so they not get burned. Add the fresh water. Along with the chicken stock. Galangal, but I'm going to crush it first. Kaffir lime leaf and Bali hot pepper, the whole one. And bring to the boil. And now I'm going to squeeze the cassava leaves to get rid of as much water as possible. So now let's cut it. As the water is already boiling, along with the coconut milk, salt and sugar. Mix well. Keep stirring it and cook it until 2 to 5 minutes. Then it's done. The smell is so good. So now let's plate it. This is perfect to serve with rice as always. Add some fresh shallot. My mouth is start watering and think about rice. And the last, we add the big red chili as a garnish. So here we are, Roroban Don Seller. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home. And we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. For more information, please kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. I also write it down my email address in the description below. And I hope you enjoy the video. Matur suksema, happy cooking! Bye-bye!